We will chant the Bhagavad Gita shloka, Raja Yoga Sangraha. Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha Sunmanti Divyai Savaihi Vedai Sanga Parakramopanishadai Gayanti Yam Samagaha Sakrapena manasa Pashyanti yam yoginaha Yasyantam navidussura suragana Devaya tasmai namaha Atha Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Raja Yoga Shloka Sangraha Shri Bhagavan
repeat it after me. Prayatnadyatamaanastu yogi samshuddha kilbishah prayatnadyatamaanastu yogi samshuddha kilbishah अनेक जन्म संसिद्धः ततो याति परां गतिम् अनेक जन्म संसिद्धः ततो याति परां गतिम् Now the whole shloka. Prayatnadyatamaanastu yogi samshuddha kilbishah aneka janma samsiddhah tato yati param gatim. Now we will see the meaning. First the word split. Padacheda. Prayatnat yatamanaha tu yogi samshuddha kilbishaha aneka janma samsiddhaha tataha yati param gatim. So here Bhagavan Shri Krishna says, in the Purva Janma, in the many Janma, Aneka Janma Samsiddhaha, in the previous Janma, the one who is the yogi now, who is practicing the yoga, who is in the path of moksha, in the previous Janma he has got the samskara. So through that samskara, means when in the previous Janma he has been to Guru, he has read the Shastras, Upanishad Vakya, he knows what is Nityam, what is Anityam, what is Satya, which is Asatyam, and what is the Atma, Jivatma. He has gone through all the Guru Upadeshas and the Shastra Vakya and Upanishads. And through those samskaras that he has got through many Janma, in the previous Janmas, in this Janma he has got, he is initiated into the Yoga Marga, he is initiated into Moksha Marga. Now he, such yogi who is pure, now there is no materialistic desires in him, or there is no other thing which can lead him to the world again. So he is totally concentrating his mind, he is totally concentrating his manas in the Paramatma. He is doing the Samadhi on Paramatma. So there is no other, anything is left for him to leave. So such yogi who is regularly practicing the yoga, who is in the path of yoga, in the path of moksha marga, which he has got through the samskaras of previous janma, he will definitely get the param gatim. He will definitely get the moksha, the param gatim, the ultimate goal. That in our culture, whatever the activities we do in our tradition, we aim to the moksha, from liberation from the cycle of births and deaths, chains of births and deaths. So when such yogi is doing such practice, is doing the prayatna or abhyasa for a longer period and without any break, such yogi would attain the moksha, the param gatim. This is the gist of the shloka. Om Tat Sat.
Good morning, everyone. We are here to bring to your kind notice few campaigns and awareness programs we are undertaking from Sushruta Ayurvedic Medical College, Bengaluru. This is under the Nikshaya campaign, which is being organized and spearheaded by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, and also the Department of Ayush, Government of Karnataka. Despite, as we all know, the fruit might look good from the outside, but sometimes it is not proper from within. Similarly, we humans from the outside might look healthy and fine, but might be carriers to many diseases, and one such disease being Kshaya or TB or tuberculosis. So in this regard, we are undertaking three important programs starting from today. So we'll be having free health checkup at the casualty department. As you can enter the campus, the board on the right, which is in the red color, that casualty department, will be having a free health checkup, which is a comprehensive medical consultation by experts. And also there will be early screening for tuberculosis. So you can make use of this facility. And also there will be tuberculosis awareness programs which will be conducted all through until the tuberculosis day, which falls on March 25th of this year. So until this period, there will be a lot of awareness programs, education programs which will be conducted. And also the main heading, which is the Nikshaya campaign or the Nikshaya Abhiyan, undertaken by the government itself. The people who are diagnosed with TB are supported by the government financially and also through medications. So anybody who gets diagnosed with TB, what are the government facilities that they can avail? This also will be taken care during this 3-month period. So starting from today, which is 24th, until March 24th, these facilities will be available. This is open for all the inmates of Prashanti Kutiram and the Svyasa family and any near and dear ones of yours. If you suspect that they have any few symptoms of TB which is requiring attention, you can kindly bring them to Sushruta Ayurvedic Medical College casualty ward. So the few symptoms, as we all know, post-COVID, the diseases related to the lungs have taken the spotlight. So one of which requires immediate attention despite a lot of awareness programs is tuberculosis, and cough isn't the only symptom which is there in TB. There are a lot of other symptoms which might go unnoticed. So in regards to this, if any of you is interested and willing to get screened, you can come and bring your near and dear ones to the casualty department. Thank you very much.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu